Voltage stabilizer. What is a voltage stabilizer? As the name suggests, the job of a voltage stabilizer is to stabilize voltage. Few years ago, when refrigerators and air conditioners did not contain inbuilt stabilizer, these devices were used to stabilize fluctuating voltage. Though in some places like villages where voltages are not stable, they are still used. A fluctuating voltage can damage your devices by overheating, and if the voltage is too low, the amperage increases, which may result in components melting down or causing the appliance to malfunction. Hence, we use voltage stabilizers. This is generally how a voltage stabilizer looks. Component of a voltage stabilizer. A voltage stabilizer mainly contains an autotransformer, comparator, some switches, and relay. Comparator. A comparator is an electronic device that compares two input voltages. It is an electronic device that compares two input voltages and lets you know which of the two is greater. Relay. Whenever the voltage rises or falls, the control circuit switches the corresponding relay to connect a desired tapping to the output voltage. Relay types of voltage stabilizer usually change the output voltage accuracy of 10%. What this means is that in case we are getting a voltage input of 200 volts and we want it to be of 180 volts, the relay will help in bringing down the 200 volt to 180 volt. The main component is the auto transformer. What is a transformer? A transformer is a device which takes in AC current at a high voltage and gives out at a low voltage, or it takes voltage at a low voltage and gives output at a higher voltage. A transformer works only for AC. A transformer does not change the frequency of the current. Working principle of a transformer. A transformer works on mutual induction of two coils. When current changes in one of the coil, the flux linked with other coil also changes. This change in flux causes a mutual inductance and generation of EMF. The EMF generated can be used as a power source for appliances. Majorly, it helps in changing incoming voltage to desired voltage. Auto transformer. While there are many types of transformer, I will be focusing on auto transformer. The autotransformer. An autotransformer is an electronic device with only one winding. In an autotransformer, portions of same winding act as both the primary and the secondary coil of the transformer. The autotransformer. When current is passed through the circuit, because the current is varying, we see a change in flux. This change in flux induces an EMF. By connecting wires across different sections of the inductor, we can get output voltages as shown. Hence, this is how an auto transformer works. Here, as we can see, by placing our wires at different locations in the auto transformer, we can receive different voltages. Hence, this helps in bringing down a very high voltage to a lower voltage if we require it in our stabilizer. These are the equations that govern how we will get the output voltage according to the input voltage. Here we can see that the output voltage is proportional to number of coils, the number of coils over here, and the input voltage is proportional to the number of coils here. So by adjusting the number of coils of N2 and N1, we can adjust the output voltages. And this is how the power varies for a given voltage stabilizer, auto transformer. Advantages of auto transformer. They are used to provide a continuous stable voltage supply from a continuous variable supply. Because there is only one coil, the copper required is less. Due to less copper, these transformers tend to be less costly and have less weight and size. They are used to compensate for voltage drops in transmission and distribution lines. They are also used for reducing the voltage supply to AC motors at the starting period. Summary. Hence, this is how voltage stabilizer works. The auto transformer changes voltage from higher voltage to a lower voltage as desired. The comparator compares the voltages. According to that, relays are used which help in giving a steady output. And hence, this is how a voltage stabilizer as a whole works. Thank you. These are the sources that I have used.